Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
गोंयांत रॅबीजाच्यो केसीना गोंय रॅबीज फ्री म्हूण पशुपालन मंत्री निळकंठ हळर्णकरान दावो केल्लो. फोंड्या नगरपालिकेन उबारिल्ल्या गोशाळेच्या उक्तावणाचे कार्यवाहीक तो उलयल्लो.
स्टॅरिलायज करपाक आमी एनजीओक 1,000 रुपया दिता, टायम टू टायम पयशे दितात, पूण ते ज्या भागान आयज आमी रॅबीज फ्री गोंयान आहात तरी सुद्दां जे शेजार राज्यांसून जे कुत्रे येतात वयतात थंय खंय तरी फरक येता आनी हें जावंक जायना म्हणून आमची सरकार रॅबीज मिशन म्हणून एक चलयता जे गांवां वचून स्टॅरिलायज करता. जावं एनजीओक सुद्दां आमी तितके पयशे दिता.
गोंय रॅबीज फ्री आसलो तरी गोंयांत रॅबीजांची लागण जाल्ले सुणे मेळटात. फेब्रुवारी दिवचले, एप्रिलांत थिये जाल्यार जून म्हयन्यांत दिवाडे 2 रॅबीज लागण जाल्ले सुणे सापडल्यात.
Mission Rabies has recently tested 4 dogs positive for rabies in Goa for the year of 2024. One of the dogs is from Bicholim, the other is from Thivi, and the recent case in June, 2 dogs are from Diwar. One dog was a stray dog and the other is an owner dog. Both these cases have come to us via the animal husbandry, the Tonka Veterinary Hospital. And we are very grateful for everybody who comes forward and reports these cases.
Yes, as you know, these cases are virus is expected from the neighboring states, from the endemic neighboring state at any time. So far we are getting it in the border areas and both sides we are vaccinating. But this time, for the first time, probably closer to the Bicholim Taluka, the Diwar Island is recording 2 cases. With our intensive surveillance, we were able to detect it, and with the Animal Husbandry Department hospital support, they are quickly able to inform us, and then we are attending to that quickly. Following this, the ring vaccination is going on. We are planning to cover 70% of the dogs in the Diwar Island to develop herd immunity. Then education is going on. We have already educated 4 of the school children. Yes, since this is now coming into the Tilim and this Tiswadi area, we have decided to 100% vaccinate all the Tiswadi Taluka dogs also.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गावस.